Okay, guys, and this is chapter 9, section 6, talking about the surface area and volume of spheres. Okay, first and foremost, spheres, i.e., basketballs, volleyballs, baseballs, softballs, tennis balls, golf balls. Those are all spheres. The first thing I want to bring up is that spheres don't have lateral area because they don't have polygonal faces. So if they don't have faces, if the spheres don't have faces, then it doesn't have lateral area. It just has surface area and volume. So imagine a basketball. When we say what is the surface area of a basketball, we're trying to figure out how much leather it's going to take um, around that basketball to make the basketball. Okay, that's what we're talking about, surface area. Volume of the basketball is how much air could we pump inside of that. Maybe you want to try and pump a liquid inside of a basketball. I don't know why you would do that, but hey. Okay, so the surface area of a sphere, the formula is going to be 4 pi r squared, 4 times the radius squared times pi. And number one, the radius length is 9 miles. So it's going to be 4 times 9 squared times pi. 9 squared is 81 times pi. Okay, 4 times 81, 162, 320, 162, 324. If I did that right, it's going to be 324 pi square miles. Okay. Okay. If you'd like to convert that, you can take 324 times pi or 324 times 3.14. I like to leave the values in terms of pi. That's how much leather it would take to make that basketball. Now, volume. How much stuff we could fit inside of this sphere. So our volume is going to be 4 pi r cubed over 3. Um, I mean, some people like to write it like this as 4/3 pi r cubed. I like the left. Some people like the right of that. I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, so the radius length here, again, of the sphere is 9. So now we're talking about 9 cubed times 4. Okay, so 9 cubed, oh, I believe it's 729. So we got 4 times 729 times pi divided by 3. Okay, so now we got 729 times 4, or quadrupled, if you will. It's going to be 2,916. So we got the volume equals 2,916 pi divided by 3. If we can reduce that, got 972. So 2916 divided by 3 be 972. So it's going to be 972 pi cubic miles. Okay? The volume is going to be 972 cubic miles. Okay, if you'd like to do number 2, you can. Just another example. Just in 2, the diameter of the sphere is 1.2, so you take half of that, which would be 0.6. So you'd be using 0.6 as the radius there. Pretty straightforward in terms of surface area and volume of a sphere. Thank you for joining in with us today.